press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students, I hope you are understanding the chapter lines and angles. So we are here to continue the study under this chapter. The next topic under this is lines parallel to the same line. Next topic in your textbook, it is in section 6.6. 6.6. So in page 101. So if you have NCERT textbook, you please even open your textbook and now first you understand the topic now. If there are three lines, so let us say these are three lines, and I will mark them as say if we call this line as L, let us say L, M, and this line as L. So as you know, the lines are represented by AB, BC, CD, PQ, RS. Likewise, R they are nominated as in small letters line L, line M, line N. So here, if line L is parallel to N, line L is parallel to N, and line M is parallel to N. So L is parallel to N and M is parallel to N. If such is the case, then L is parallel to M. It is same thing as, suppose if we have A equals B and B equals C. B equals C. So what we say, then C, B is also equal to C. Then we say A equals C. A equals C. Or we say these two are equal. These two are equal. So here both are equal to one thing. So L is equal to N. You can see L is parallel to N. L is parallel to N. And line M is also parallel to N. So therefore we say L is parallel to M. Line L is parallel to M. So based on this understanding, see how we establish this. If I take another line, let us say N, a transversal. You know what is a transversal? Say a line which cut across two or more than two lines is a transversal. If this is a transversal line, so let us name it as small letter P. So now, so here I will call this angle as 1, this angle as 2, this angle as 3. So now so now what happens? It is given L is parallel to N. L is parallel to N. So therefore 1 and 3, angle 1 and 3, 1 is equal to 3. So because L is parallel to N, so therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 3. And it is also given line M is parallel to N. So line M is parallel to N means angle 2, because they are corresponding angles that you have studied. These two becomes corresponding angle. So angle 2 becomes angle 3. So therefore, from these two we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So when corresponding angles are equal, we have studied the theorem, when the corresponding angles are equal, the lines are parallel. So therefore, L is parallel to M. So I will write the heading first. The lines parallel to the same line. Lines parallel to the same line. So this is what we are studying now. Their behavior. Lines parallel to the same line. That means L is parallel to N and M is parallel to M. So these two lines are parallel to the third line N. So in such a case, what is the relation between L and M? That we have to establish. Let T be a transversal to lines L, M and N. So given L parallel to M, L parallel to M and L parallel to N, L parallel to N, L parallel to N. So L line is parallel to line N. So therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So these are corresponding angles. 1 is equal to 3. So similarly, given M is parallel to N. So therefore angle 2 equals angle 3. Angle 2 equals angle 3. So again, why they are equal? Corresponding angles. So you can observe here angle 1 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 3. So from these two we can say, so therefore we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. See, this is right hand side, 3 and 3 are there, therefore 1 and 2 are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So if you observe, these two are equal and L and M are two lines and two angles are equal here. They are corresponding angles. So therefore this is the transversal. So when these two angles are equal, the lines will be parallel. That is based on the corresponding angle theorem. So therefore when 1 equals 2, we can say that line L is parallel to line M. So I will write L parallel to M. So how we are concluding this? This is based on corresponding angle theorem. So this is based on corresponding angle theorem. So this is not applicable to only one line or only 3 lines. If many lines are parallel to each other, so for more number of parallel lines also this theorem can be expanded. If we have say 5, 6, 10 parallel lines, then if any 2 are parallel and the remaining are also parallel to each other. So based on this we can write one theorem 6.6. I will write it here, theorem 6.6. This is final conclusion. I will write lines which are parallel to same line. L is parallel to N, M is parallel to N. So these two are parallel to same line. Lines which are parallel to same line are parallel to each other. So this you have proved and understood now. So if L is parallel to N and M is parallel to N, then it is understood that L and M are parallel to each other. Note down this. Now I will proceed to example 6.4 in your textbook. Example 6.4. I will erase this now. So under 6.4, one diagram is given. First I will draw the diagram. You please look into page number 101. You will find this diagram. So this is line PQ. This is X, point X. This is point M, and this angle is given as 40 degree. This is R, this is Y, this is S. This diagram is given. So, given data, I will record the given data here. Given PQ parallel to RS. It is given line PQ is parallel to RS. Now, so this angle is given QXM or MXQ. MXQ is equal to 135 degree. It is also given. MYR 40 degree. MYR 40 degree. It is also given. So what is the question here? Find XMY. So this angle we have to find out. So that means XMY, this angle we have to find out. See here, to solve this problem, we will make a small construction. So observe here. So at this point M, what we do is we will draw a line which is parallel to PQ. So this is point M. So I have drawn a line which is parallel to PQ. I will call this as, say, AB. AB. Now, see, this dotted line is our construction. It was not given in the problem. We have drawn a line AB which is parallel to PQ. So now the question is X, M, Y, this total angle we have to find out. Total angle we have to find out. So here from figure you observe, from figure answer. So what we have done? We have done line AB, we have drawn line AB, draw, it is, we call this as construction. So what is construction we have made? Through point O, through point M, through point M, draw AB parallel to PQ. AB parallel to PQ. So PQ is parallel to AB. So now we have drawn a line. Now observe, What is to be found out? XMY we have to found out. So from figure XMY is equal to, observe here, XMY, this total angle is equal to XMB angle XMB, this angle from here to here, and plus BMY. So this angle, I hope you are understanding. The sum of these two is XMY. So now you call this as equation 1. Now see, PQ is parallel to AB. So you have learnt the interior angle details you have learnt. So this angle QXM and XMB, so this one, the sum of these two angles, these are interior consecutive angles on same side of the, if I consider XM as the transversal, PQ is a line and AB is a line, these two are parallel lines, this is a transversal. On one side of the transversal, two angles QXM or MXQ and XMB. So this angle, this internal angles. So we know that the sum of those two is 180 degree because they are supplementary. So this is one. So PQ is parallel to AB. So that is how we have constructed. So therefore QXM you can see here QXM plus XMB. Observe these things. XMB is equal to 180 degree. Why this is? We have to write the reason. Because they are, what are they? They are consecutive interior angles. So they are supplementary. That means always the total of these two angles, interior consecutive angles, is 180 degree. That we have learnt in the previous class. They are supplementary. So therefore from this, see here QXM is given, that is 135 degree. I will put 135 here. 135 degree plus XMB equals 180 degree. So therefore XMB equals 180 minus 35. So that is 180 minus 135. 135. So this is 45 degree. 45 degree. So therefore this angle is 45 degree. That is XMB is 45 degree. So now I will take up the other one now. It is inevitable, I will erase the upper portion. So now, see, now consider AB is parallel to RS. Why these two are parallel? Because it is given PQ is parallel to RS. We have drawn one line which is parallel to PQ. PQ and AB are parallel. So therefore, AB and RS are parallel. So therefore, given PQ parallel to RS. So what we have drawn? PQ parallel to AB we have drawn. So therefore I can say AB is parallel to RS. AB is parallel to RS. So when AB is parallel to RS, here AMY, you can see so this is, you can consider these two, BMY and SYM. These two are again supplementary angles. So therefore, observe here BMY angle BMY plus SYM is equal to 180 degree. So here I will write consecutive interior angles, and they are supplementary. Consecutive interior angles. Interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means total is 180 degree. Supplementary. So now I will erase this. Excluding this, I will erase the remaining. So now you can observe here, this is 40 degree. YM is a ray standing on RS. So therefore, MYS will be, see, MYS will be, or two angles RYM plus MYS or SYM equals 180 degree. Why? They are linear pair. So therefore, see, but RYM is given, it is 40 degree. So therefore 40 plus SYM equals 180. So therefore angle SYM is equal to 180 minus 40 is 120 degree, and this is This is 120 degree. 120 degree. So again, you put this value of 120 degree in this, you can call this equation as 2. Put value in equation 2. Put SYM equals 120 degree in equation 2. So there we will get BMY plus 120 SYM, because SYM is 120 equals 180, or BMY is equal to 180 minus 120 equals 60 degree. So therefore this is 60 degree BMY. Now, so we have got 45 degree XMB and BMY 60 degree. So add those two, get XMY, which is asked. So therefore, so substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. What was the equation? XMB and XMB is equal to XMY equals XMB plus BMY. So this equals 45 degree plus 60 degree. So equals 105 degree. So this is what is asked. So XMY is 45 plus 60 is 105. Wait. QXM. So this is 140. So we'll make small correction here. This is 140. 140. BMY is equal to 140. This is equation 2. And RYM is given 40. This is 140. This is 140. So SYM is 140. So therefore 140 minus 140 equals 40 degree. So this is 40 degree. 40 degree. So therefore we will get 85. So this is 40 degree 85. So there was a small error. Kindly understand. So the sum of these two angles, these are linear pair, 140 plus 40, 180. So it was taken as 120 by mistake. 40 plus 140 is 180. Total is 180. So I have made necessary corrections. Now it is correct. Now we will go to next example, example number 5. Example number 5. So first I will draw the sketch. So this sketch is available in your page 102. You can refer to book also. So this is line PQ, line PQ, line RS, and this is line AB. And this is E, and this is G, and this is point B, point C, point C. Now the question is, you look at the diagram. In figure, a transversal AD. So this is D. AD is considered as a transversal. Intersect two lines PQ and RS at point B and C respectively. PQ and RS. So you observe here, it is not told PQ is parallel to RS. It is not told. But what they say, PQ and RS are two lines and AD is the transversal. And it is intersecting PQ at B and RS at C. Ray BE is the bisector of ABQ. So ABQ is this angle, B is the angle bisector, means these two angles. So these two angles are equal. and it is given this is also angle bisector, these two are equal. So this angle equals this angle and this angle equals this angle. So this is what is given. So given answer you can write given AB, AD transversal, AD is transversal, of AB and RS, sorry PQ and RS, PQ RS. So now BE and CE are bisectors of ABQ and BCS. ABQ and BCS angle. So this is what is given. Then what is asked? Prove that PQ is parallel to RS. Prove that PQ parallel to RS. So this we have to prove. So PQ is parallel to RS. So in the question, I will read out the question now. If a transversal, this is a transversal, intersects two lines such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel. So here it is given BE and CG. BE and CG. So it is given they are parallel. BE is parallel to CG. So we can write BE parallel to CG. It is given. So this is another data given. Now these two are parallel. So therefore prove that PQ line and RS, those two are parallel. So now maybe now observe here. See, it is given that these two lines are parallel. BE is parallel to CG. BE is parallel to CG, and another data given ABQ angle is bisected by this line. So therefore these two angles are equal. So first I will take a AB or I will write EBQ or this one ABE, you can say ABE. What will be a answer? ABE will be equal to, angle ABE will be equal to, see, the total angle is ABQ. ABE is half of this total angle because BE is the bisector. So therefore it is half of half of ABQ. ABQ, half of ABQ. So now, you observe here BCG. Let us take up that, and BCG, angle BCG is also equal to half of, say BCG is half of the total angle BCS, because these two are equal. These two are equal. So I will write here why this happens. ABE, angle ABE is equal to EBQ, because BE is angular bisector. So similarly, BCG will be equal to half of BCS. So reason is same. BCG is equal to GCS. Of course, these two are equal for the same reason, because CG is angular bisector. Note down this. Now you observe the figure. Given BE is parallel to CG, you forget PQ and RS lines. Remember only these two lines now. BE is parallel to CG and AD is transversal. Now observe here, ABE and BCG, these two are corresponding angles. So therefore they are equal. Now I will write AB equals ABE, angle ABE will be equal to BCG. Why this happens? Because BE parallel to CG, and AD is transversal. So what happens? Hence these two, ABE, angle ABE and BCG are corresponding angles, So when they are corresponding angles, they are equal. Therefore they are equal. So these two are equal. So this angle and this angle are equal. So therefore see, from these two, left hand side are equal. If I call this as 1 this as 2, this as 2. So now I can say RHS from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, LHS I will equate 1 by 2 ABQ, 1 by 2 ABQ is equal to 1 by 2, because left hand side are equal, AB equals BCG, that we have proved. So therefore 1 by 2 BCS. So this half and half cancels. ABQ is equal to BCS. ABQ, you can see ABQ is equal to BCS. So this total angle, this angle is equal to this angle. So this is the transversal. Now we forget about these lines. So these two are corresponding angles, they are equal. So therefore PQ is parallel to RS. PQ is parallel to RS. So now I will write the conclusion. So now, since ABQ angle ABQ is equal to angle BCS, this total angles, they are equal. Since they are equal and AD is transversal to PQ and RS. So PQ and RS, and this is the transversal, and these two angles are equal, corresponding angles, right here, and it is parallel. So therefore PQ is parallel to RS. So how we have come to this conclusion? So I will write here, this is because based on the corresponding angle theorem. So this is based on corresponding angles theorem. So what the theorem says, the corresponding angles are equal when the lines are parallel.